Phemex Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Phemex are in the description below. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features of Phemex, who it's designed for, and whether it's a good platform for your crypto investment needs. Phemex is a crypto exchange that focuses on providing advanced trading tools, low fees, and high liquidity. It's particularly tailored for professional traders, but also accessible for beginners due to its user-friendly interface. The platform supports spot trading, futures trading, and leverage trading with up to 100x leverage on selected assets, making it suitable for both casual and active traders who want more advanced options. One of the standout features of Phemex is its zero-fee spot trading for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. This means you can trade popular assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin without worrying about high trading fees. For futures traders, Phemex's leverage options and high liquidity ensure that you can execute trades efficiently, even in volatile markets. The platform also offers a derivatives market, allowing you to trade crypto contracts with leverage, adding another layer of flexibility. Phemex is also great for users who want to earn passive income. It has a staking program where users can stake coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum to earn rewards. Additionally, Phemex's referral program offers users a chance to earn by referring friends. Security is a top priority on Phemex, with features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for assets, and insurance coverage for trading funds, providing an extra layer of peace of mind. The platform supports multiple fiat currencies, which is ideal for users who want to deposit in local currencies. The Phemex mobile app also ensures that traders can access their accounts on the go with a smooth, optimized experience. Overall, Phemex is a solid choice for active traders who want zero-fee spot trading and access to advanced trading tools. With competitive fees, a wide range of features, and strong security, it's a great platform for both beginners and experienced traders. Check out the links in the description to start trading on Phemex today.